Ever feel overwhelmed by the state of your kitchen, wondering how you can create a more organized, simplified space? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the art of kitchen decluttering, a key to efficient cooking and a stress-free living. Stay tuned for 3 simple yet effective tips to declutter your kitchen. Tip 1. Empty the counters. Starting with a clean slate is crucial when decluttering your kitchen. By clearing everything off your countertops, you can truly see what needs to be put away or addressed. This isn't just about physical cleanliness, it's about mental clarity too. When your workspace is clean and clear, it's easier to focus, to make decisions, and to feel at ease. Think of it as a form of kitchen therapy. Remember, a clear counter is a clear mind. Tip 2. Evaluate your small appliances. Each gadget in your kitchen, from the toaster to that fancy popcorn maker, has a role to play. But ask yourself, are they all pulling their weight? If your bread machine's been gathering dust, maybe it's time to let it go. Freeing up that space can make your kitchen feel less cluttered and more welcoming. And remember, donating unused appliances can bring joy to someone else's kitchen. Don't let your appliances take over your kitchen. Keep only what you need. And finally, tip 3, the power of placement. With your counters cleared and appliances evaluated, it's time to start reorganizing. But don't just put things back haphazardly. Be strategic. Group similar items together, like your baking utensils or your coffee-making supplies. And those items you use regularly, keep them within easy reach. This isn't just about creating a visually pleasing space. It's about promoting efficiency, making your kitchen easier to navigate. Strategic placement isn't just about aesthetics, it's about functionality. So, there you have it. 3 tips to help declutter your kitchen. Empty those counters, take a hard look at your small appliances, and harness the power of placement. Transform your kitchen from a chaotic mess into a serene space. It's time to declutter and breathe easy.